Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Lucifer from Hazbin Hotel. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the first eyebrow. Let's draw an angled line down and over. Then bring it up from the right side, and then curve it down to a point on top. And now let's color the eyebrow in black. Next, from the top corner, let's draw a small curve down. Now top underneath and on the right, let's draw a curved line. And then smaller curve down underneath on the left. And then connect them with a curved line across. And now let's add another curve underneath like this. Now let's move inside and let's draw a small circle on the left for the pupil. And then a curve underneath the eye. Now let's move over and draw the right eye, starting with the eyebrow. Let's hop on top and let's draw a line down. And then let's curve both sides down to the right, meeting at a point. And color this eyebrow in black as well. Now for this eye, at the same level as the left one, let's draw a small angle up. And then two curves on top. Now underneath, let's draw a curved V shape. And then a curve inside on the left for the pupil. And lastly, again, a small curve underneath. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's move underneath and draw the mouth. We'll start by drawing an angled line underneath the right eye. Then hop over to the left side, next to the eye here, and let's draw a wavy line down and over. Now from both sides, let's draw a curve down, meeting at a point. And the point should end in between the middle of the eyes. Now inside for the teeth, let's draw a V shape in the middle here. Then an angle down on the right and curve it up. Another V shape on the left. One more angle and curve it up. And then underneath on the left, one more small curve down. And that's it for the face. Now let's start drawing the shape of the head. Let's start on top, in between the eyes, and let's draw a curve up and curve it down on the right. And then another longer curve over on the left side. Now let's move back down to the right and let's curve it down under the chin. Then angle it up on the left, stopping here. Now before we continue the head, let's add the collar at the bottom. On the bottom left, let's draw an angled line down. And then another angle next to it. Now let's curve it over and up to the left. And angle it back down for the shape of the collar. Now on top of the collar here, let's draw a curve up and over. And then close off the collar with two curves in at the end here. Now hop over to the right side and let's draw a curve out and angle it back down and in. And then let's do the same thing inside to add a border. Now that we're done the collar, let's move back up and finish drawing the head. Let's start on the very top right and let's draw a wavy line down to the head and over to the left for the brim of the hat. And now underneath this line, we can start drawing the hair. Underneath, on the bottom left, let's draw a curve down and then up next to the mouth. And then curve it back down underneath. Now let's move back up to the top. Under the brim of the hat here, let's draw a curve over and back in for the top of the hair. Then let's add a curve up and back in. And let's draw another piece of hair going out in the same way. And then one more curve down and in. And that's it for the hair. Now let's finish drawing the hat. From the top right, let's draw a curve down and in. And then let's add 2 more curves inside that top section to give it a border. Now top to the center and let's draw another curved line down to finish off the brim of the hat. Now let's add the snake wrapped around the hat. From the center, let's draw a small curve up. Then move over to the left, we're going to leave a gap and then draw another curve going down. Let's leave a gap, move over to the left again, and then another curve down and in. Now let's add the snake's head. From the left line, let's curve it down, loop it around, and back up. And then add 2 diagonal lines inside for the eyes. Now on the right side, let's draw a curve over and back in. And then one more curve on top. Next, let's move up on top of the snake and let's draw a pointed V shape up. And then another shorter one next to it on the left. And the same thing on the right. Now on top of each one, let's draw a small circle. Now on the top right, let's draw the apple. Let's start with the curve. Then step up from the end and let's draw one more curve over and down. Next on top, let's draw a small stem. And then a leaf coming out from the top left. And add one more curve inside. That's it for all the details on the hat. Now let's move up and let's draw the shape. Starting from the apple, let's draw a curved line up. Then let's curve it down. And then angle it back in. Now inside at the bottom, let's draw a curve across, bringing it behind the spikes. And that's it for the hat. Lastly, let's move down and draw the bow tie. Underneath the head in the center here, let's draw a curved rectangle shape. Then let's curve it up and back down on the left, and another curve underneath. And the same thing on the right side. And that's it for Lucifer. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!